And today we want to talk about goals and dental health goals. A lot of people will set goals in their life and somehow get off track and not achieve them. They'll also set dental goals in their life, and they may get reminded of them when they come in for their every 6 month or every 3 month cleaning, but they get off track in between. So I'm going to talk about a few things that you can do. If you wanted to get in shape, lose weight, earn more money, um, go on vacations, you would spend time planning those activities and you'd work out a strategy and a plan. That's the same thing with dental goals. If you want to get your gums healthier, reduce bleeding points, reduce your pockets, if you want to change your smile, if you want to do a bleaching, if you want to do Invisalign, if you want to do veneers, if there's teeth that you're missing that you want to replace with implants, all of those are goals that you need to map out a plan for. When you look at it in a big view, you say, oh gosh, that seems like a lot to bite off. But when you look at it in small chunks, then it's easier to bite off. So one of the first things to do is write out a map of what you want to do and come up with the resources that you'll need to achieve that goal. So if you wanted to go on a trip, say to England, what would you do first to find out how to get there? Well, one of my first thoughts is find out the airfare and then see if there is a time of year that the airfare will be lower. Will that work with your schedule? How many days do you want to be gone? Do you want to be gone 10 days or do you want to be gone 17 days? That would be taking off a Friday and getting back a week from that Sunday. Or if you'd want to get back 2 weeks later. When you're in England, would you want to go to Ireland or Scotland? If you want to go to those places, you would need to find times of year when it's not quite as cold. So you'd probably avoid December, January, February, March, possibly April. So how long would it take you to make that trip? And what would it take to do that trip? You find your airfare. You may find Airbnb as an alternative to staying places. If you're real adventurous, you may want to use couch surfing. This may be difficult if you're bringing a family, but could be doable if it's a couple of people that are open-minded. Again, with your dental care, you have those same kind of things. If you want to get your gums healthier and you're not flossing regularly, what does it take to floss regularly? If you would rather use a hydro floss instead of regular floss, how much does that cost and how much time does it take in a day? Well, it costs about $75. And it takes about an extra 3 minutes twice a day to get your gums healthier. What are the advantages of that? Well, the advantages would be that you don't have toothaches, you don't have pain, and you keep your teeth for maybe 5, maybe 10 years longer than you would if you didn't use it. So for that $75 initial investment, and then if you're using a closest rinse that's $13 that you probably buy every 3 months, 3 to 4 months, that's a very little investment to keep your teeth and gums healthy. So all those things are very easily achievable, and they're all very important. So if you have a goal to get healthy, we want to help you do that. So let us know if there's anything we can do, and stay tuned at myscottsdaledentist.com, phone 480-614-1122 for an appointment. Again, that's myscottsdaledentist.com and 480-614-1122.